Face ID doesn't really work when you have got a face mask on. But now, Apple is testing a way to use your Apple Watch to unlock your iPhone. This is how you can get yourself a good sneak peek of the feature. Before we start, just a minor warning. You'll be installing beta versions of iOS and watchOS on your Apple devices, so make sure you've got a backup of your Apple devices and follow these steps at your own risk. First, let's make sure your iPhone is ready. You need an iPhone with Face ID, essentially an iPhone 10 or later. You also need to install iOS 14.5 beta on your iPhone. To do that, go to beta.apple.com on your iPhone. Register with your Apple ID and log in. On the iOS section, scroll down, tap on Enroll your iOS device, and tap on Download Profile. After downloading your profile, you need to switch to the Settings app. Tap on Profile Downloaded and install the profile by keying in your passcode and accepting the terms and conditions. Lastly, restart your iPhone. After the restart, proceed to update your iPhone. You should be on iOS 14.5 beta. Secondly, let's make sure you've got the right Apple Watch. Your Apple Watch requires watchOS 7.4 beta. That means you need to have an Apple Watch Series 3 or later, or the Apple Watch SE. If you've got that, you can go back to beta.apple.com on your iPhone. On the watchOS section, scroll down and tap on Download Profile. Install the profile on your Apple Watch with your passcode, accept the terms and conditions, and restart your Apple Watch. After the restart, proceed to update your Apple Watch. You should be on watchOS 7.4 beta. Now that you've got both your iPhone and Apple Watch ready, you've got just one last step. On your iPhone, go to Settings, tap on Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode, and scroll down to the section of Unlock with Apple Watch. Now you can enable your Apple Watch to help unlock your iPhone. And that's it. By installing iOS 14.5 beta and watchOS 7.4 beta, whenever you're wearing a face mask and you can't use Face ID, your Apple Watch can now help you unlock your phone if your Apple Watch is password protected, is unlocked at the time, worn on your wrist, and nearby. Thank you so much for watching. This is Clem. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and videos in the future. Do remember to stay well and stay healthy.